Give Dad a day off from the grill. This Father's Day, we're saying, as an option, you can bring the burgers inside and wrap it up in a whole new way. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake and Serv is going to share her recipe for bacon cheeseburger wraps. I don't know what to call this. Taco, wrap, burger.
No, it's wrap. We're just wrapping, okay?
We're wrapping. Are we really?
Yeah.
You got a little...
No. Don't go there, Brooke. Don't go there.
Okay.
Okay, so the thing that I love about this is you have this whole dinner plan for Father's Day. You're having it in the backyard. You're going to do all of this, and all of a sudden the wind comes up, and everybody has to come in your house.
Yeah.
So I'm prepared for it.
You're
if
ready.
They come in, then I've got a meal that's ready for them.
When you do your blowing, Heidi VanValkenburg will not be stopped. I like it.
I will not be stopped.
What are you starting with for the base?
Okay, so this is our dinner roll, and I let them just get nice and bubbly. I covered it with plastic wrap, let them rise for a little bit.
I love when you do this. Like, show us how we can use a roll in different ways. It doesn't have to be a roll. You can be anything you want to be.
You can. We can do it in a grill pan, too, and then you have the grill marks, which I would like if you really want to feel like you're outside. Just 2 minutes on each side, okay? So I have one that's ready to go. This mixture that we're going to put in there. So see how fun they come out? This one just barely came out.
Yeah.
And you can just do this. I just sprayed it. You don't have to add much to it. And then you can just fill that. Oh, thanks, Brooke. That mixture is hamburger with mustard and ketchup and some minced onions and garlic and salt and pepper.
Yum.
And then you put that in there, and then these are our toppings to make it. Okay, I found this cheese. I'm kind of obsessed.
I thought you had seasoned it.
It has hot sauce, and it also has some seasonings already, and it's a really good brand.
What's the brand? Is it Tillamook? What is it?
Starts with an S, but I can't remember right now.
Okay, all right.
Sergio?
Yeah.
Okay. So that, and then the bacon, don't forget your bacon. I pre-cooked my bacon.
Cheese.
You keep chopping, I won't burn the studio down.
Okay, please.
And then, our tomatoes and our lettuce, and you've got your bacon cheeseburger wrap. So if you go on our website, put in the bacon first.
Okay.
If you put in Father's Day, it will come up with all of our fun Father's Day ideas, and this is one of them. And so, ready to go, just like that.
Yes.
I love this hamburger mixture. I've never done, Worcestershire sauce. Don't forget your Worcestershire sauce.
In the hamburger?
In the hamburger.
Okay.
So I actually add my seasonings, brown it, and then you add the mustard, ketchup, and the Worcestershire sauce, and it just makes this really good.
Yum!
And it only takes just a couple of minutes. You can do these, and then you just fold that up, and you're going to fill it with all this goodness, and it's really easy to do.
This is so clever, and it's a different application of a recipe everybody already loves, so it feels fresh and new and fun, but it's the taste that we can count on.
Yes, and I keep forgetting, bacon cheeseburger, so, your sides, you can have your pasta salad, or you can have fruit and vegetables.
Easy
so
does
there you
it.
go, really easy. And, the dad doesn't have to work, so, there you go.
Yes.
We can make him work in other days.
Okay, he works hard enough.
There you go.
Him the day
But
off.
if you go to rhodesbakeandserv.com, Father's Day, all the ideas.
All sorts of ideas.
Yeah, and they're ready to go. It's easy to do.
Rolls do not have to be rolls. They can be wraps.
They can be wraps.
You sure you don't want to wrap?
I'm sure I don't want to wrap.
We love you, Heidi. We love you so much. We'll link you over to Rhodes' website from ours, a great resource, as Heidi mentioned, for all sorts of recipe ideas.